What's up guys, how are you? We are listing top 5 best slow masticating juicers for 2025 in this video. For more information, product details, and the latest prices, check out the links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Let's get started. Number 5. AnyBear Slow Masticating Juicer. AnyBear Masticating Juicer Machine with a high torque of 180 nanometers, ensuring the rotating speed up to 65 rpm, paired with a powerful 200W motor, effortlessly extract juice at low speeds to enhance juice yield up to 98.9%. Minimize oxidation for doubled flavor and freshness. This AnyBear juicer machine has oversized 4.3-inch feed chute, fits larger fruits, vegetables and larger quantities of produce. You can directly add to the machine, no need to cut, saving your time and increasing juice efficiency. We used the imported USA Tritan material to produce the Slow Juicer's feed chute component, baby food grade material, ensuring 100% original taste of your juice and your healthiness. The upgraded streamlined design of the auger allows for more efficient food extraction. Made from high-quality PMMA material, the heavy-duty auger is more robust and durable, extending the lifespan of the masticating juicer machine and providing you with greater assurance. AnyBear Cold Juicer features a straightforward one-piece stainless steel filter design, making cleaning a breeze. With just 3 simple steps to disassemble the machine, cleaning up is a snap. You will receive a diverse collection of juice recipes, streamline your juice routine effortlessly. Join AnyBear in juicing and unlock a vibrant world of juice experiences. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 4. EcoSelf Juicer Machines. This juicer machine upgraded 4.35-inch large feed chute and 40-ounce capacity is larger than normal, while the size is smaller. You can juice whole fruits and vegetables without chopping. Moreover, the Slow Juicer doesn't take up too much space on a kitchen counter, which fits for a small kitchen, and can be carried to any part of the kitchen easily. With a high-power motor, this cold-press juicer separates the pulp from the juice well, providing you with better-tasting, purer juice. Cold-press technology maximizes the retention of nutrients and reduces oxidation, extracting a high yield of vitamins for your satisfying juicing experience. Enjoy fruit and vegetable juices such as apple, carrot, orange, watermelon, ginger, celery, tomato and more. EcoSelf Masticating Juicier features a hopper and screen integrated design, which can be easily assembled and disassembled in minutes, and is also easy to clean. Except for the motor base, other parts can be quickly cleaned with water, with an included brush for a hassle-free cleanse. It is easy to operate with a simply rotating button. You can enjoy fresh juice with ease. And the reverse function helps prevent clogging. The juice maker will automatically stop working if the cover is open accidentally while juicing, which is safer for children. The juicer can only be powered on and work normally after it is fully assembled. Rotate hopper clockwise to align guide mark with lock symbol, then close the hopper cover, and ensure full assembly before powering up the juicer. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 3. iPone Slow Masticating Juicer. The juicer machine's designed with 5.8-inch feeding chute large enough for whole vegetables and fruits instead of shredding. Combined with the smart safety lock function, the cold-press juice machines will be stopped once the lid opened, ensuring the safety of your family. With the 55 rpm low-speed squeezing and grinding technology for the fruit juicer machine, it effectively avoids heat generation and oxidation, retain the maximum retention of nutrients and keep the original natural flavors of the fruits. Masticating juicer equipped with double layer of the strainers for twice filtering through 0.3 mm mesh. Reducing the clogging and no residue of the juice from the juicer machines, with the high juice yield up to 99%, making every drop worthwhile. This juice extractor is easy to assemble and disassemble with 3 main parts in seconds, and easy to operate with one button control. Also, the juice maker machine packaged with push rod and cleaning brush for quickly clean, saving your time and energy. The cold press juicer made by high quality shell which is more durable and easy to wipe clean the surface. The vents from both sides are able to prevent overheating during the juicer working and further extend the lifetime of the juicer machine. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 2. Hurom H400 Easy Clean Slow Juicer. Perfect for families, the quiet motor lets you start the morning without causing a stir. The maximized self-feeding hopper lets you fit more ingredients without chopping them up for minimal prep. 100% BPA free with no blades or sharp parts. Every drop counts. Our patented slow squeeze technology minimizes oxidation for fresher, nutrient-rich juice. The juicer extracts every last drop of juice possible from fruits and vegetables for a higher yield and fresher taste that lasts up to 72 hours. Minimal pulp and smooth, enjoy a velvety texture that only a slow juicer can provide. With a strainer-like function and a two-part auger that meshes together to strain out juice with very low pulp content. Great for juicing veterans and beginners alike. Easy to clean. Traditional juicers require a strainer which collects minerals and needs extensive scrubbing. The H400 features a revolutionary strainer-free chamber set that ensures a scrub-free cleaning experience with no clogged-up pulp. Hurom has over 40 years' experience of directing people towards a healthier lifestyle powered by great nutrition. From colorful fruits to leafy greens and vegetables, anything that's normally chewable with teeth, our juices press juice from. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 1. Nama J3 Compact Cold Press Juicer. The Nama J3 is a perfect compact juicing machine for fruits and vegetables. Travel ready and optimally designed for smaller kitchens. Say goodbye to adding your produce one by one. The self-feeding hopper lets you load your entire recipe at once, freeing you to multitask in the kitchen. Simply add your fruits and vegetables and walk away while the J3 processes everything. Our fruit and vegetable juicer's slow pressing speed keeps nutrients intact by minimizing oxidation and heat, preserving natural flavor and nutrients. Enjoy fresh and nourishing cold-pressed juice in minutes. Powered by a 130W motor, this masticating juicer machine operates quietly at 50 RPM for long-lasting performance. Includes juice container, pulp container, strainers, cleaning brush and recipe book. This juice extractor machine simplifies your routine with quick-release parts and easy assembly. Designed for your convenience, this cold-press slow juicer offers a hassle-free experience from start to finish. Backed by a 15-year warranty for lasting quality and peace of mind. Please check the link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com.